Hello, I'm Urvashi Kapoor and welcome back to the Daily News Bulletin of Jagran English. Let's begin with the first big story of the day. Tata Sons moved the Supreme Court today against the restoration of Cyrus Mistry as the executive chairman of the group by Company Law Tribunal NCLAT in December. Last month, the NCLAT had restored him as executive chairman of Tata Sons and ruled that appointment of N. Chandrasekaran as the head of the holding company of Salt to Software conglomerate was illegal. The NCLAT had, however, stayed the operation of the order with respect to reinstatement for 4 weeks to allow Tatas to appeal. Setting aside a law court order, the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal also quashed the conversion of Tata Sons into a private company from a public firm. Mistry, a scion of wealthy Shapurji Palonji family, was in a coup removed as chairman of Tata Sons in October 2016. He was the sixth chairman of Tata Sons and had taken over in 2012 after Ratan Tata. He was later also removed as director on board of Tata Sons. However, Mistry and Tata family patriarch Ratan Tata had reportedly falling out over key investment decisions, including manufacturing of world's cheapest car, Nano. At least 14 people, including 13 firefighting personnel, were injured after a building collapsed in Delhi's Peeragarhi on Thursday during firefighting operations. The building collapsed early morning after it caught fire. However, no loss of life have been reported till now. According to reports, a fire broke out at a factory in Peeragarhi this morning, after which several fire tenders were rushed to the spot. However, the building collapsed after a blast took place during the rescue operations. 35 fire tenders are currently at spot and rescue operations are underway. According to DFS Chief Atul Garg, they received a call for fire in a factory at 4:23 am on Thursday and 7 fire tenders were sent to the spot. However, the fire was followed by a sudden blast, leading to the collapse of the building. Garg added that when the building collapsed, there were people inside it along with the firefighters who are rescuing them. Meanwhile, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said he is closely monitoring the situation and the fire personnel are trying their best to rescue the people trapped inside the collapsed building. At least 9 more infants died in the last 2 days of December at a hospital in Rajasthan's Kota, taking the death toll to 100 for the month. However, the authorities at the JK Lawn Hospital defended the alarming casualty figures, saying that the number of deaths at the health facility in 2019 was less than 1,005 in 2018. While several media reports claimed that the most of the ventilators, nebulizers and warmers in the hospital were obsolete, the hospital superintendent asserted that the children died mainly due to the low birth weight. Earlier, the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights had served a show cause notice to the Congress government in the state and said that pigs were found roaming inside the campus of the hospital. The death of 10 children at the government-run hospital during a 48-hour period on December 23-24 had triggered opposition criticism. BSP Supremo Mayawati slammed Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra for not paying heed to the Kota hospital tragedy in the Congress-ruled Rajasthan. Mayawati further said that the attitude of Ashok Gehlot government in Rajasthan was condemnable as it has mismanaged the situation of the 100 children deaths in Kota and still remains irresponsible and unsympathetic to the situation. With this, I conclude the Daily News Bulletin for today. We'll be back tomorrow with more big stories of the day. You can log on to english.jagran.com to catch all developments of the day. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook and YouTube. Thank you and goodbye.